Hello YouTube! I'm Mandy and this is Mandy's Makeup Adventures, and on today's adventure we're going to be opening a mystery box from Juvias Place from August. I've had this for like a week. I'm sorry, I'm so late on getting stuff done. This is from the LA Girl Break Free palette. This it is supposed to be a dupe for Natasha Denona Retro palette, which I think it is. I think you can make beautiful looks with it. So that's awesome. So this, I keep doing that. This mystery box was, I think, like $16. And mine came with 4 products. So let's look at those products. First up, I got the La Mariposa lip gloss, and it's Yami Angelina x Juvias Place. And this is going to be a sparkly lip gloss. Very, very pretty. And then I got the Heroin Loose Highlighter by Juvias. Let's look at that if we can. How do you open this box? There we go. Okay. So this is their loose highlighter. It's really cute. Their packaging is so cute. And that color is just called Heroin, and it looks kind of like a real pretty champagne color. So that's pretty. I'm putting these all back in their boxes because I don't know if I'm going to use this stuff or not. I have to decide, and I have like, I don't know, 10 minutes to decide. Because if I am not keeping it, I'm just going to box it back up. But if I'm keeping it, I'm going to shoot a second part of this video and put it on. This one is the iSculpt Eyebrow Pencil, and this one is in the shade. Does it tell me what the shade name is? Oh yeah, here at the top it says dark brown. Dark brown is going to be too dark for me. So that almost makes me feel like I should throw that into a giveaway or do a giveaway with all these things. The last one is a palette, and this is the Saharan. So I don't know what this looks like. So let's take it out and see what this looks like. I love this color. That's so pretty. Okay, so this one is a really pretty neutral palette. That is really pretty, and it makes me want to keep the whole collection and just do a second part to this video. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna be trying out the Saharan palette, the Heroin Loose Highlighter, the La Mariposa Yummy Lip Gloss, and the dark brown iSculpt Eye Shade. I will make it work. I don't know how yet, but we will be trying those out in the second part of this video. So I will see you in just a moment. These aren't the droids you're looking for. We'll be back. Hello, YouTube. Oh, wait, no, this is the second part of the video. Okay, so I have tried out the things that I got in this Juvias Place mystery box, which is the Saharan Palette. Oh my goodness. It's the Saharan Palette, which looks like this. On my eyes, it looks like this. The gloss, which is on me lips. The Heroin Highlighter, which I choose to believe that it's heroin, like they are the heroin of the tail and not the other kind, because that wouldn't be good. And then what else was it? It was also did it fall down? It did fall down. How silly. And then the new product that was in all of the giveaway boxes was the eyebrow pencil. My goodness, I can't think to save my life today. That's a normal occurrence. Okay, so let's go through it all, and we'll talk about what we like. Oh my goodness. So, I couldn't believe that I was able to use this dark shade. What was the shade called? Just the box. Dark brown. So I was able to use dark brown, and it actually looks like my regular ash brown pencil. I really like this. This is thin enough. The pencil is thin enough to give you those hair-like strokes. I really enjoyed it. The palette, of course, is gorgeous. Let's swatch the palette real quick just so that you can see. I think that this might be one of these mystery boxes, okay, from different companies. Obviously, I love the Jeffree Star mystery boxes. I got a mystery box from Juvias before, and I didn't enjoy it as much as I've enjoyed this one. This one is really good. My cat refuses to not be heard, and she has lots to say. And she's saying it right now. But now I'm petting her, so she's not mad at me right for this second. It's okay, kitty. Okay. So let's swatch some from this palette. We're going to start with the shade Kia, which is just a gorgeous, it's like a gray, green, blue kind of thing. It's so cool. Look at that color. Is there anything quite like that? And then we've got Bororo. And that's this copper red kind of shade. I have that on in the corner there. Wow, and there's able to be that good of a swatch and still leaves that like, wow. The next one is called Wodabe. I'm assuming these are like African things. Don't really know, but look at how gold that gold is. My goodness, my goodness. And then this is the color that I have. This is this beautiful matte red orange shade, and it's called Sakoto. Now we have to clean our fingers One moment, please. I think that Juvias Place does an excellent job with these mystery boxes. This is way better than the last one that I got, I'm pretty sure. And I like it. So now we're gonna go with, this is like a rose gold kind of shade. And this is what I've got in the corner of the eye. Isn't that gorgeous? That one's called Zoya. The next one is a really interesting, it's like a white silver, and that is called Iman. Then there's this rusty orange color, the color of my sweater. That is called Jamelia. And then we have this bronzy gold shade called Senegal. So when I was in college, I took the history of Africa. I was slated to be, I was a history major in college. And I took the history of Africa from the British African Micro Machines man. She talked so fast that nobody could understand what she was saying. I tried to tape record her so that I can then, translate that into notes, and I couldn't do it. Her tests were based on her notes, not on the book. So I read the book, I studied really hard, I got a D in that class. I'd never had a D in my life. I was in the honors courses. It was bad. So I don't really know a whole lot about African history, and I wish I did as a history major. Up next, this is like a blackish gray, and it is called Chad. And then this is called Katsina, and this is a blendy brown shade. I was able to use that as my transition shade today. This is a pink gold, which is on my lid, and that is called Lulu. And then this one is called Fula, and this is a pink shimmer. And that is the Saharan Palette. It's gorgeous. I have nothing like this in my collection, and I'm super happy to have this. When I do my declutter, and that's coming up, when I'm finally able to put that up, I will tell you that I won't be getting rid of any of my Juvias Place shadows, because there's something about their formula that is so good and so interesting. I just don't think I could let any of them go. So very interesting. And this is one of my favorite sweaters. And just knowing that I can have a go-to look with this sweater that won't take me very long at all is really nice. I love this sweater. I plan to wear this quite a bit through pumpkin season. And now I've got stuff all over my white shorts. Oh no. It's okay, white shorts are out of season now. I would still probably wear it to work with a sweater like this. Okay, so that's the makeup palette. It's gorgeous. Really happy to have that in my collection. I love the brow pencil. This lipstick, I will show you when I first opened this lip gloss, not stick, sorry guys. When I first opened it, I'll show you the picture. It came out a globby mess. And I was thinking, ooh, do I even want to put this on my lips? Because I feel like this was a retiring shade, or that it was close to expiration date. I don't know. I'm going to take off the lip liner that I had so that we can see what it looks like just on the lips. And really, it's just kind of like a nice sparkle shade. It has a little bit of pink in it and a little bit of champagne. And it's really pretty. I like it. I like it. It was a little gloppy. This Heroin Highlighter, a little bit of this goes such a long way. Look at that. It is maybe one of the most glowy, finely milled though. So like it's fine. It's so finely milled that I think that it still can be a subtle highlight, but it's also could be an extremely blinding highlight. I love it. I will be using that quite a bit. Very excited about the whole thing. The mystery box cost something like $16. It was crazy cheap. And I was able to, it had free shipping on it as well. So it was just $17. And you get all these really great products. So stoked to have this guy in my palette wardrobe, whatever you want to call it. I'm super stoked to have that. It's about to be pumpkin spice season, and I'm so happy about that. I will be doing some favorite fall palettes. I'm gonna be taking the rest of the weekend to work really hard on my decluttering, and then you guys should have already seen who won the 5 giveaways. I put the winners out for 5 giveaways, and that's super exciting, so can't wait to get those out in the mail next week. Yay! Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. I love you guys, and I will, don't forget to like and subscribe. I am trying really hard to get 500 more subscribers in 1 month, so tell everybody that you know about my channel. I'm super excited, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye. Don't forget to ring the bell. Bye.